Deniz Undav is a German professional footballer who currently plays as a forward of VfB Stuttgart and the Germany national team. At Havelse, he scored 37 goals in 72 senior appearances from 2015 to 2017. He turned fully professional in 2020 with Union Saint-Gilloise in Belgium's second division. He was named to Germany's Euro 2024 squad and scored his first international goal in a 2-2 draw with the Netherlands that September. At the 2026 World Cup, he came on as a substitute in Germany's opener against Curaçao, scoring the sixth goal and providing 2 assists in 7-1 win, becoming the second German player ever to assist 2 goals in a World Cup match as a substitute. He married his long-term girlfriend Tanja in November 2021, crediting her with helping him adopt a more professional, healthier lifestyle. He often incorporates the letter T into his goal celebration in her honor, and couple welcomed their first daughter in August 2024. On August 9, 2024, he signed permanently with Stuttgart on the 3-year deal and scored on his Champions League debut against Real Madrid the following month. He made his 100th competitive appearance for Stuttgart on February 14, 2026, scoring his 48th goal for the club. On January 31, 2022, he joined Premier League club Brighton for 7 million on a 4.5-year deal, immediately returning to Union Saint-Gilloise for loan for the rest of that season. He made his Albion debut in the 2022-23 season opener, becoming on as a substitute as a Brighton beat Manchester United 2-1 and scored his first Brighton goal in his next appearance against Forest Green Rovers in EFL Cup. He scored his first Premier League goal on April 29, 2023 in a 6-0 win over Wolves. Breakthrough in Belgium in his second season, he scored 17 goals to help secure the 2020-21 Belgian First Division B title and promotion. The following season, on match day 15th of 2021-22, he scored a quadruple away to Ostend in a 7-1 win, finish as the league's top scorer with 18 goals. Some sources cite 26 across the full season, and was named Belgian Footballer of the Year.